what's up? I'm Shuhana and I'm back with another video. So this is the most requested video. So I got a lot of queries, a lot of suggestions regarding makeup tutorials, and a lot of them asked for step-by-step makeup tutorials. So here I am, and I hope that this video will help you out, and I also expect that like this you suggest me more and more so that I make videos according to your choice. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So guys, at first you need to wash your face properly, and after washing your face you need to apply a moisturizer, and I am using the moisturizer Nivea Soft Vitamin E Light Moisturizer. So after moisturizing your face, you need to apply a primer so that your makeup lasts longer. So I'm using the primer, Inside Primer 3-in-1. That I'm going to apply is the liquid highlighter. So I'm using Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow liquid highlighter in the shade light pink. So next I'm going to apply foundation. So I'm using Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Rich 10. The next step is concealer, and I am using Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade Medium Moyen. Next thing you need to do is apply loose powder. So I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Buff Beige. going to apply eyeshadow.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. Until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break?
Next, I'm going to apply kajal.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
So now I'm going to rub off the powder.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
So now I'm going to apply mascara. So I am using Maybelline New York the Colossal Mascara.
Superhero. Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
So guys, the next step is contour, and I am using the Contour 3D Balm by Mars.
Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
So guys, next I am going to use contour powder. So I am using the palette Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist eyeshadow palette, and it has contour too. So I am using this contour shade.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my.
So the next step is blush, and I am using Lakme Absolute Blush Duos in the shade pink.
Broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the vein, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the
The next step is highlighter, and I am using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold.
Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh.
So now I am going to do my eyebrows, and for that I am using Wet n Wild eyebrow kit.
The neighbor, pain. the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through.
So the next step is lip liner, and I am using a random lip liner from my mother's wardrobe. Now I'm going to use a bullet lipstick, nude nuance, Maybelline nude nuance. So now on top of that I am going to use the MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Dance With Me. Now I am going to highlight my eyebrows. At last, I am going to apply eyelashes. So guys, this is my final look and I hope that you like this look. Guys, yesterday while making the video, I forgot to add the last step, which is the most important step. So after doing all your makeup, you need to apply a makeup fixer. So for that, I am using Blue Heaven makeup fixer. It helps to set your makeup and makes your makeup lasts longer. So while applying the makeup fixer, you need to keep a distance. So this much distance is enough. So yeah, with this your makeup gets over. And also this video helped you out, and if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any more suggestions or queries, please let me know in my comment section below. So yeah, that was all for today. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.